Good morning, traders. I have just taken a short position here. This trade was called out in advance in my charting service. Let's see, almost 9 hours ago. Almost 9 hours ago I called out this trade. I am going to adjust the exit to, let's see, this should be good for 40 ticks, no problem. So I'm going to adjust the exit for 40 ticks. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got a 22 tick stop on this, and I have got a 40 tick exit on it. So should be a quick, easy trade. Again, this trade was called out in advance in my charting service almost 9 hours ago. I'll be back to show you the progression and or at least the outcome of this trade. Okay, I just wanted to show that it's coming down here, but I also want to show one more thing. You'll notice in the video earlier that I had set my stop to 42.03, and then afterwards, see, I took the position here. Afterwards it popped all the way back up. Notice where it went to 42.02. It did not go to 42.03, and then it's come all the way down. I'm in a positive position. It's going to keep coming. It should hit my 40 tick exit pretty easily. The reason why I knew where to place the stop exactly down to the tick was because the computer that's controlling all the movement that you're seeing told me mathematically exactly where to place it at. Now, I know that sounds weird, I know it sounds strange, I know it probably even sounds impossible to you, but I just want to assure you 100% that it's true. It's true, and you're seeing it with your own two eyes. I don't blame somebody for being skeptical, I really don't, but you know, I just want to say again what I'm saying. What you hear me say is 100% the truth. Anyway, I will be back shortly to show you probably just the outcome of this trade, and I'm probably going to take another trade here today. I called out 2 trades in my charting service, so this was the first one. I'll be back. Okay, it's going for the exit here, almost there. Okay, it's made it to the exit there. Quick 40 ticks, didn't take too long. I will be back. I think I'll be back for the second trade. I might not be able to make it, but I will try. I'll try to make it for this second trade. I did call 2 trades out in my charting service, and the other one will be coming, and I just don't know if I have time to wait for the setup for it, because I've got some things I gotta do. But anyway, I will try to come back, and I'll close this video out one way or another. But anyway, just to show you that by knowing how the computer works behind all of the movement that you're seeing, you can make successful trades and make money from that. And that's, you know, obviously quite valuable to know that information. And with me helping you by doing the charting service, it makes it easier on you to be able to successfully do this. That's why I have so many people signed up to my charting service. Anyway, I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, I just wanted to come back really quick and say that I'm not going to take the second trade. I don't have time to take it, unfortunately, tonight. And so I just took the first trade that I called out in my charting service today. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow on Friday to take another trade, maybe both of them. I get the time tomorrow. Both trades that I call out in my charting service, assuming that there is 2 trades, but there most likely will be. So anyway, I hope you traders out there are doing good. I hope you're learning. Hope you're being inspired by this system that I have created based upon my discovery in the year 2006 that all financial markets in the world are being controlled by a computer program and do not really trade. I discovered this while attempting to trade the Forex market. I used to trade the Euro US dollar and the US dollar JPY, and I discovered the code while trading them. And I made the discovery that they're not really trading, that they're being controlled by a computer. And then later I found out that oil and gold and the E-mini and you name it is all being controlled by a computer and doesn't really trade. Anyway, the benefit to you and to me from this, obviously, is that we can make money from it. It's that simple. And that's what I help people do, and that's what I've been helping people do since 2009. Making money through using... See, it took me 3 years before I started teaching people this, after I had discovered it. Because I figured it was such a good thing, I needed to share it with people. You know, I needed to tell people what was going on. I needed to share it with them. I needed to give them the opportunity to be able to make money from this, instead of just holding it to yourself. And you know, a lot of people say, why do you tell other people? But, you know, if you discover something so profound like that, you might not be able to hold it in and not tell other people. You know, it's like you discover something really big and you want to tell other people about it. Not just that you made the discovery, but that the fact that it exists, you know. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I'll be back tomorrow. Hope your traders are doing well, and you charting members, you should have nailed the trade. It was very, very simple. Okay, see you tomorrow. Happy trading out there, traders.